Hi everyone, it's been a while, welcome back. Today I wanna share the current state of the game with you. I'll show the challenges I added to enhance the game's dynamics. So let's start by taking a quick look at the main mechanics of the game. The first mechanic is the dash. It gives the player a quick burst of speed to dodge obstacles. Next, we have the portal system. Into a portal instantly moves the player to another position in the level. Here's the reverse gravity mechanic. It flips the player upward and lets you navigate the level from the ceiling. And finally, the key and door mechanic. Once the player collects the key, the door unlocks and the path opens. Pressing the top left zoom out button gives the player a level overview to plan ahead. Each level has 3 challenges and each one gives you a star when completed. Challenge 1. Collect the star inside the level. Challenge 2. Finish the level on your first attempt without touching any obstacles. Challenge 3. Complete the level within the time limit. The player needs a certain number of stars to unlock the next chapter. As the player progresses, new skins unlock. Some come from level progression, others from the total star count. So this way, we're rewarding the more skilled players. You can play and test the game on itch.io and I'll be taking your feedback into account during development. I'll also be sharing tutorials on all the systems I use in this project. So I'll see you in the next Unity tutorial.